Most people operate under the assumption that taxes are as unavoidable as gravity, but the financial architecture of the ultra-wealthy suggests they treat taxation not as a certainty, but as a variable they can control. The 2026 amendments to the Capital Gains Tax Code are designed to target long-term investors and extract a significantly larger share of their returns. By taxing capital that would otherwise be reinvested, these new rates break the compounding cycle. Over 2 decades, this reduction in reinvested principal creates a massive gap in the ultimate size of a portfolio. The traditional strategy of simply buying and holding assets ignores this compounding drag. It leaves your capital exposed to whatever rate the government decides to apply when you finally sell. Sophisticated investors construct barriers around their portfolios. They rely on established, proactive legal frameworks to neutralize the capital gains burden before it ever hits their accounts. These strategies avoid the risk of offshore havens or illegal evasion. They are executed using specific, documented clauses written directly into the domestic tax code. Handing over hundreds of thousands to the government is rarely a legal requirement. It is usually the result of a knowledge gap. The first mechanism operates directly within your portfolio, treating the market's natural volatility as a functional tool through strategic loss harvesting. By intentionally selling off underperforming assets before the fiscal deadline, you generate a mathematical counterweight. These realized paper losses are applied directly against your most significant gains, bringing your net tax liability to zero. To remain compliant, you must navigate current wash sale equivalent rules. This requires reallocating funds into a similar but distinct position to maintain market exposure while securing the tax write-off. A calculated rebalance using this method can eliminate a 5-figure tax bill. The loss on paper becomes a tangible tax asset. Strategic harvesting transforms a market decline into a source of tax credits, making volatility a primary component of wealth preservation. The second mechanism involves reallocating capital out of the market and into Section 54EE sovereign bonds. Under the 2026 provisions, you can take the profits from a long-term asset sale and reinvest them into notified government infrastructure bonds, up to the specific limits outlined in the code. This move anchors your capital in a risk-free, government-backed instrument, removing it from the unpredictable swings of the equity market. This strategy requires you to hold the bonds for a predefined lock-in period. Once that timeline matures, the original capital gains tax you owed on the sale is legally forgiven. This effectively turns your tax liability into a low-risk loan to the government, resulting in the cancellation of the original debt upon maturity. The third defense layer moves beyond the individual portfolio and utilizes the legal structure of the family itself. By legally gifting assets to family members in lower tax brackets, you distribute the taxable gains across multiple individuals. Because each individual has a basic tax exemption limit, this multiplies the total wealth you can shelter from reaching a taxable threshold. Precision in documentation is required. To survive an audit, the records must clearly establish an irrevocable gift to satisfy regulatory authorities. Wealth preservation is determined by how intelligently legal entities are engineered to absorb and diffuse large capital gains. These systems are effective, but they are time-sensitive. The window to lock in these maneuvers before the end of the fiscal year is closing, with less than 30 days remaining to act. The required paperwork must be finalized. This includes securing official gift documents, executing the portfolio sell orders, and initiating government bond applications. Integrating loss harvesting, sovereign bonds, and family gifting creates a compounding multiplier effect. This unified approach protects hundreds of thousands in lifetime capital that would otherwise be lost to the Treasury. While most taxpayers will passively watch their portfolio returns erode, you have the option to adjust your strategy. You can accept the math of the 2026 tax code, or you can engineer a defense to keep your gains. Proactive tax planning ensures that portfolio growth outpaces both inflation and the 2026 code, serving as the primary mechanism for maintaining your net worth.